Get this, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is blowing minds. A few weeks ago, it spotted the earliest galaxy ever. But now, it's found a massive black hole booking it away from its galaxy at a bonkers speed of 4 million miles per hour. Seriously, scientists and space nerds are scratching their heads about what this means for, well, everything. The Webb telescope was sent to check out the early galaxies, and it's already sending back crazy pictures of dying stars and galaxies from not long after the Big Bang. This latest black hole find is messing with what we thought we knew. Black holes usually suck everything in, right? But this one's doing the opposite. Instead of swallowing light, it's making new stars along this huge trail, like 200,000 light-years long. Scientists are super puzzled, but a team led by Yale's Professor Peter B. just dropped their findings in Astrophysical Journal letters. Even the Hubble telescope confirmed it. This black hole seems to kickstart new stars when it hits gas and cools it down. And that's not all. NASA just announced some amazing stuff about ARP-220, a galactic merger that Webb caught. When two spiral galaxies smash together like this, ARP-220 shines super bright in infrared, which is perfect for Webb to see. It's an ultra-bright infrared galaxy, like a trillion suns. Our Milky Way, only 10 billion suns. ARP-220 is in the Serpent constellation, about 250 million light-years away. It's the brightest of the three closest galaxy crashes to us. About 700 million years ago, two spiral galaxies collided, causing a massive burst of star formation. This created a small, dense area with about 200 big star clusters. That tiny space has as much gas as the entire Milky Way. Before, radio telescopes found about 100 supernova leftovers in that area. Then Hubble showed that the original galaxies are pretty close and that each has a swirling ring of star birth that looks awesome in infrared. Now, Webb's pictures are showing the full glory of this galactic mashup, with faint trails showing how the two galaxies are pulling on each other gravitationally. The red, cyan, and orange stuff? That's just scattered organic stuff in ARP-220. Hold on, there's more weirdness. Researchers found super-old galaxies at the edge of the universe and were like, wait, are these for real? Some thought they might be closer galaxies in disguise, so they asked other scientists to take a look. Good thing they did. Webb confirmed that these ancient galaxies are the real deal. Because of this telescope, we're seeing the oldest galaxies ever. Astronomers think the light from these galaxies has traveled over 13.5 billion years to get here, giving us a peek into the universe's Wayback Machine. These galaxies popped up when the universe was young, which is helping us figure out how the first galaxies formed so quickly. The spectral data showed that these galaxies are way out there, even farther than Hubble could see. This is a big deal because it proves Webb can do one of its main jobs: study the early universe using light that's been traveling for billions of years. Webb's ability to measure extreme red shifts lets astronomers see into the infrared and spot the first galaxies. It's an exciting time because this find is a major step in exploring the universe and understanding how it all came to be. These discoveries have had a huge impact, and NASA's thinking about building even more powerful telescopes to see if our Big Bang theory holds up. Data from Webb spectrometer and camera shows that some of these super-old galaxies have crazy red shifts, which means Webb is seeing them as they were just 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang without heavy elements. This is weird because the universe is supposed to be 13.8 billion years old. This is causing some head-scratching in the science world because these finds challenge the current model of how the universe expanded right after the Big Bang. The Big Bang theory already has some issues, like not explaining what caused it. And now Webb is finding galaxies almost as old as the Big Bang itself, which makes us wonder if we've got the whole story right. According to physicist Dr. Kaku, these ancient galaxies are making us rethink everything about the universe's beginning. We used to think these galaxies were less developed, but the new data suggests we're missing something big. The fact that Webb found 6 galaxies that existed so soon after the Big Bang and are way bigger than the Milky Way is a major question mark. Dr. Kaku said that because it takes billions of years to make a galaxy like the Milky Way, it's odd to find such big, young galaxies. We might need to rewrite the textbooks. Even with all this, NASA just tweeted about a galaxy cluster that's only 650 million years after the Big Bang. Astronomers think this cluster will grow to be like the Coma cluster. Webb lets researchers measure the speeds of galaxies within these clusters, which helps them confirm these galaxies are actually bound together. It's like seeing drops of water in different streams that will eventually form a mighty river. So, yeah, what we thought we knew about the Big Bang isn't quite adding up. But more data from Webb might give us some answers. Maybe the Big Bang did happen, but the cause is something totally different. We'll have to wait and see, but the answer might be closer than we think. This new find is really messing with what scientists thought they knew about black holes. Usually, black holes suck everything in, even light. But this one's doing the opposite. Instead of gobbling up light, it's making new stars along a huge trail that stretches 200,000 light-years. Scientists are scratching their heads, but a team led by Yale's Professor Peter B. just dropped their findings in the Astrophysical Journal Letters. NASA's Hubble telescope also saw the same thing, suggesting the black hole sparks new stars when it hits gas and cools it down. So we're seeing the trail it leaves behind. But wait, there's more. NASA also announced some wild images of a galactic smash-up called ARP-220, all thanks to the James Webb Telescope. When two spiral galaxies collide like this, it shines super bright in infrared, which is perfect for the Webb telescope to see. It's like the brightest thing you can imagine. ARP-220 is about 250 million light-years away, in the constellation Serpens. It's basically the flashiest of the three closest galaxy pileups to us. Around 700 million years ago, two spiral galaxies crashed together, causing a massive burst of star birth. This made a super dense area, only about 5,000 light-years across, but packed with around 200 huge star clusters. Believe it or not, that small space has as much gas as our entire Milky Way. Before, radio telescopes found almost 100 exploded stars in the area. Then, the Hubble telescope showed that the original galaxies are about 1,200 light-years apart, each with a spinning ring of star formation putting out crazy infrared light. Now, the James Webb Telescope is giving us the best view ever of this galactic merger. You can even see faint tails stretching out, showing the gravitational pull between the galaxies. The red, teal, and orange colors show scattered gunk in ARP-220. And the surprises don't stop there. Researchers were shocked to find really old galaxies way out at the edge of the universe. They weren't even sure they were real. Some thought they might be closer galaxies faking it. So, they shared the data hoping for confirmation. Turns out, the James Webb Telescope proved these ancient galaxies are the real deal. Now we can see the oldest galaxies ever. Astronomers think the light from these galaxies has been traveling for over 13.5 billion years to reach us, giving us a peek into the early universe. These galaxies popped up when the universe was just a baby, which helps us learn how quickly the first galaxies formed. The data showed these galaxies are super far away, even farther than Hubble could see. That's kind of a big deal because it shows one of the main reasons why the James Webb Space Telescope exists is working. It can study the early universe by looking at light that's been traveling for over 13.5 billion years. It's all about measuring extreme red shifts, which lets the telescope see infrared light and spot those first galaxies. Things are getting wild because this means we might need to rethink the Big Bang Theory, and it's making NASA think about building even stronger telescopes. Data reveals that some of the first galaxies are so far away that it's like seeing them 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang without carbon elements. According to a theoretical physicist, the discovery of these ancient galaxies has made us question everything we thought we knew about the beginning of the universe. The fact that the telescope found some galaxies that existed 500 million years after the Big Bang and are up to 10 times larger than the Milky Way raises the question of whether our current theories about the Big Bang are correct. And because of that, NASA tweeted about a baby cluster that lies just 650 million years after the Big Bang, adding yet another intriguing piece to the puzzle. Researchers are measuring the speeds of these 7 galaxies, and so they confirmed they were bound together in that place and time. Plus, with all that, more data from the Webb telescope may reveal evidence that could confirm or disprove the theory. What do you think about all this crazy space stuff? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.